pity. You already have a wife. And me have a man in my life. No quiet is a pity. It is such a pity. You already have a wife. And me have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 man in my life. I woulda liked one of these mornings to wake up and find your face on a bill ringing. Go to the party in the smoking and the rum. Post an extra wine. Where every time I want a slice, me here, it's me here. Your finger do something. So here was just a thing, another little thing. But for me, this is heaven and the angel divine. It's a pity. You already have a wife. And me have a man in my life. Rude boy, it is a pity. Well, 10 o'clock, we say it again later. 11 o'clock, me a contemplate and say me nah go get vexed, me still a wait and now watch you lateness, cause we have 12 o'clock when you not see him, they start sweating. 1 o'clock, I'm gonna turn them to panic. Me start wonder if them rob them. Feel guilty of my big side man profit. Pick up my phone and start call up my friends. Jump in on my car and go circle some ends. Touch back in the house and start ball on the floor when oops. Guess who? Slippity and a quarter to day. Talk about what's your story. What would have been more important than me? Talk about what's your story. You couldn't teach me, I'm gonna disturb the peace. Talk about what's your story. Somebody please, after you, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Baby, after you. Me, I go put on a sad face, so the judge give me the hand. Look up X amount of bills for your platinum yard. Chew a tantrum with my nose a running a coat. So me getting up to live nice. My friend, I love you, cause you keep it drinking HQ. And we put a fit in the bed, so give thanks for the H2. Me know how you left me and fear while we did a bar. But me tell them me left you cause your body too small. Now after you, here's what I'm gonna do. Right around on the 22. Stupid off my own. And these streets don't love you like I do. You need for no that you wanna keep your woman loving you. Need to show that the love we have when it takes so much effort to bear. Won't implore that, but just like a plain old jersey, you have a big show. Hey, I wish you would have keep me like an ounce. Me know you're not able to when you bounce.
At the Murder She Wrote concert, so what's the feedback like?
I enjoyed the interaction of the crowd. I thought that a bit more of us would have wanted to enjoy this, right? So the crowd was fabulous, right? The crowd was pleased, but I would have wanted for more Jamaicans to share in this beautiful gift that we have to offer.
Okay, and for the people who missed it, let them know, what did they miss?
Oh God, they missed a catalog of all catalogs. They missed Leroy's Sibbles reaching back 50 years ago from the roots of Jamaican music. They missed Dancehall Queen Carlene in that blue outfit above up and Chaka Demus. They miss Richie Spice delivering a catalog that is unmatched. I mean, he is a phenomenal lyricist. He is a very emotive performer. Tanya Stevens delivered her usual set. I mean, it was really a gift to Jamaica. And that's what Murder She Wrote is.
Watch it! Hear this! 365 days of 1 year, 366 the one leave year. It's the way that you go down, it's the way that you near. Driving the power, make the song you can see. So one scotch, one bourbon, one beer. Shoot, it's the one scotch, one bourbon, one beer. Shoot. everything funny. Me and the DJ in a dance and party. Watch out the young girl a bubble well steady. Them bubble on the left, them bubble on the right. She's a Chaka Demus, me a CHOON, we turn around. I mean I want all of us, I mean I wanna go fight. We protect your brother, got this but to win on the line. Everybody come and dance and listen to tonight. Come on, jump around, tell you know, say you're ready.
Work it.
Hey, just think of the sunlight in the day, and the moonlight in the night. Fishes are dancing, and the rivers rolling by. There is still a blue sky, still another baby cry. I wonder why some people sigh. Oh Lord, life goes on. Life goes on, life goes on, and every day another baby's born. Oh man, sing, I'm starting. I've got to get the cherry from the sweet cherry tree. Oh baby,
Hear me now. She's a friend, she's a lover, want her to be my wife. Woman, you mean so much in my life. She's a friend, she's a lover, want her to be my wife. Woman, you mean so much in my life. I see them, we love the world out of too. We're not going to see. Watch this now.
Lelisha, Romy, look up on the stand. The doctor, yeah. This, want you to know that I am the man fighting for the right thing and the wrong. Singing this, singing that, going there and going there. So you will find out the man I'm supposed to be.
original dancehall queen. The original dancehall queen, Carlene. Now this one dedicated to the girl when the angel face to the devil heart. You know, so ragamuffin Chaka Demus and you can place for the case. Step up my youth!
Hey. Oh! I noticed that the girl her name is Maxine. Everything like a bunch of roses. If I ever tell you about that scene, you say I don't know what I know. Murder she wrote, murder she wrote, murder she wrote. I don't know, murder she
You know the vibes, the reggae vibes today. And tonight we're there with Carlene, Dancehall and CHOON. You enjoy yourself?
I most did. Did you enjoy yourself?
Definitely. I say you're dancing and going with a bag of things. How you pleased with the turnout? And what does the Murder She Wrote concert mean to you?
Oh, it means a lot because you know the Murder She Wrote song and video, I'm part of it. So it was my pleasure to know that they were, going to do this. And of course, I call it a little honor. And I was happy that I could have even been in the venue.
Alright, and the outfit is quite bizarre. Talk to me about the outfit.
Right. So Sophia Jones is actually not as how it seems. So it looks naked, but it's really not masculine.
Oh, because I swore you were naked. That's why I said it was bizarre. Oh, okay. So you have anybody you want to shout out to?
Yes, to my sister Pinky, of course. Pinky, I love you so much and I know you're going to be well. And Jamaica, please support her. Go to my page, Dancehall Queen Carlene on Instagram. Click the link in the bio and donate. And of course to my beautiful daughter, Crystal. And hi, Ryan.
Our people heard it from Dancehall Queen Carlene.
my lovely, beautiful. Take a picture of me. Picture of me. Alright. We love her to the soul and the heart. We know.
Alright people, so there the Orville, the bad dance. How you feeling about your performance tonight?
Feeling really good, feeling really good. It's always a heavy load when you have to open a show. But I think, based on the response from the audience, I think it was really good, and we're focused on moving from the 80s. So, reminding people of what the 80s was like, how strong the 80s was for dancehall, because that is how dancehall came into being when we came out of reggae and went into dancehall. And then we do it with 80s, 90s dancehall, and then right up into new school and what is very popular on TikTok as well. So it was a very good performance.
Alright, nice. I'm say you're still in shape. How you do it? How you keep on doing it for so long? Cause from me a youth, from my idea, my knee, I say, you see me, so how you do it?
It's just, we just keep dancing, brother. It's something, I always tell people that dance chose me. So it's just fulfilling a journey, fulfilling something that was given to me. So always a dance. So I just say that.
And what can I expect from you? What are you up to nowadays?
Well, nowadays we have a YouTube series called The Bartender. So we're going into film as well. People know, so we used to do a little drama, we used to do a little dance and things, but we're a complete production company now. So yeah, man, that's what we're going with now. We came back yesterday from New York, where we do some dance class, myself and Shelly Expressions. And we have a Patreon account where if people want dance classes, then you can just pay and just go online and just do some dance classes with us. I do classes, Shelly do classes, and we have some youngsters who are now doing classes as well.
Alright, so for the people who missed this, will they get a second chance? What can we expect? Is there another event that will bring these great artists together again?
They get another chance in about 3.5 weeks to witness Gramps Morgan, Ernie Smith, Pluto Shervington, and Dwayne Stevenson right here at Plantation Cove, Coveside Concerts, and it's called Life is Just for Living, which is really a celebration of Ernie Smith. He has been 56 years in the Jamaican music industry, and so we've pulled together a collaboration of artists that really support his idea of what is good music for Jamaica. So we have Grams, who has an international catalog. He has done some country music, he has done some reggae, he has done some ska. And in Jamaica, what we do is all forms of music. We don't just do reggae. So we come in with a country catalog, a folk catalog, a love song catalog, some rock steady. It's gonna be a fabulous affair. So come to Plantation Cove. It's on May the 20th. Follow us on Coveside Concerts. Go on Carib Tix and get your tickets, and it is called Life is Just for Living.
Okay, and out of everything that happened tonight, what's the highlight of your night? Out of everything that happened tonight.
The highlight of my night was that crescendo with Chaka Demus and Pliers.
All right, well said. And you have anybody you want to shout out or big up?
Listen, mega big up Reggae Vibes. Have to big up Reggae Vibes. I must big up the Jamaica Observer Media Group because you see, media is important. The job that you do is important. And Coveside Concerts appreciates you bringing this good music out there. We're bigging up RJR Gleaner Communications Group. I'm bigging up MD Courier. So anybody shipping anything from anywhere across the world, check out MD Courier. And I must tell you this, catering was done by Incognito Vacation Stay. Go down to Colliston Avenue and get those scrumptious saltfish fritters.